Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are just going to be cleaning my makeup vanity. As you can see, there's stuff everywhere. It's a mess, it's dirty, it's gross. So first things first, I'm gonna clear everything off of my vanity. I have like a lot of open boxes, like empty boxes, empty bottles, like that primer water, that big thing of primer water, like it's empty. Why do I still have it on my desk? So yeah, moving eyelashes around. Yeah, so I'm just going to, put all this stuff together. I'm gonna kind of move my makeup brushes around because I am going to be cleaning them in a second. You guys will see that later on in the video. I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. So I hope you guys sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'll be back in a minute. Alrighty, so this is kind of like the final overview. It's not perfect, but at least it's cleaner than what it was before, honestly. And then for the drawer, that's just where I'm just going to keep all my lashes. That's kind of a throwaway bin right there. That's kind of like old lashes and stuff like that. That whole side is just going to be samples and stuff like that. And then all of my foundations that I don't normally use are going to be over there. So now we are going straight into the what's the word I'm looking for? Brushes. We're cleaning our brushes. So I am using the Ulta brush cleaning balm. I used to use the Japanese cleansing balm that they had, and I had that for like almost 3 years. That's how long I had it. Maybe not, maybe a year or so. I don't know, but I had it for a really, really long time. So that was my first time using like a cleansing balm to clean my brushes, and I really, really liked it. So when I went back to repurchase it, they discontinued it at Ulta, so I couldn't buy it anymore. So of course they had an Ulta brand, so I just decided to try that one out and use that. So this is what I'm doing. And then this is me struggling because I am right-handed, but I'm trying to show you guys, give you guys an actual like picture of what I'm doing. So all I do is wet the brush and then swirl it around. And that way to get all the gunk and stuff off of it. And then once you do that, you just rinse the balm off so it can be completely dry. It dries on its own. You do not need to do anything to dry the balm. The balm dries on its own. I'm going to link it down below for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, yeah, just enjoy me washing my brushes.
Yo.